Wow, we've got a lot of snow on the roof already. Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna have to knock that off before I go to bed, otherwise it's gonna collapse on me in the night. Have another glass of Tang before I go to bed. I'm dehydrated. I pulled the liner out of my ski boots because it's a little bit sweaty. I'm gonna stick it in the bottom of my bag to keep it from freezing. And then when I put my boots on in the morning, it's not so cold. And it's time to get to bed. Take my socks off so they dry in the bag and won't get my feet cold.